Hi there, superheroes. Welcome back to Zooni Tunes, where we draw the strongest and fastest heroes in the world. Today we have an action-packed video featuring the amazing Spider-Man and the Incredible Hulk. If you have any questions about how to get your drawings just right, or if you want me to draw your favorite hero next, please tell us in the comments below. Let's start by drawing our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man wearing his backpack, beginning with his oval-shaped head and his big, iconic white eyes. Now, let's draw his strong body and the straps of his bag over his shoulders. Do you carry a backpack like Spidey when you go to school? Next, we add the fine web patterns all over his mask and suit, and don't forget the small spider symbol right in the center of his chest. Finally, let's draw his tall boots and his hands ready to shoot some webs. Where do you think Peter Parker is traveling with his big green bag today? It's time to bring our hero to life, so let's grab a bright red for his mask, gloves, and boots. Is red your favorite superhero color? Now, use a bold blue for his leggings and the sides of his suit to give him that classic comic book look we all know and love. Let's color his backpack a nice light green to make it stand out against his suit. What color is the backpack that you use every day? He looks fantastic. Our first Spider-Man is colored in and looks ready to swing through the city buildings to save the day. Next, we are drawing the strongest Avenger of them all, the Incredible Hulk, starting with his huge, muscular arms and his giant green fists. Now, draw his angry but brave face with messy black hair on top. Can you make a Hulk smash face just like he is doing right now? Let's add his big chest and his ripped purple pants that always stay on no matter how big and strong he grows. Finally, draw his giant feet and the lines of his muscles to show everyone just how much power he has. How many heavy things do you think Hulk can lift? To color the Hulk, we need the brightest green you have for his skin. Did you know that? Green is the color of strength for this big hero. Now, let's use a deep purple for his pants to create a cool contrast, purple and green. Looks so great together, don't you think? Use a dark black or very dark green for his hair and add some shading to his muscles too. Make them look even bigger and tougher. Unstoppable. The Hulk is all colored in and looks like he is ready to help. His friends fight any bad guys that come his way. For our final drawing, let's draw Spider-Man in a super cool action pose, jumping through the air and landing a powerful heroic punch. Draw his body stretched out with one leg bent and his fist flying forward surrounded by a big, yellow POW star shape for extra effect. Finally, draw the lines of his muscles and the soles of his boots to finish his dynamic pose, doesn't he look like he's jumping right off the paper? Let's use that bright red again for his suit and the POW star, making sure to stay in the lines. So his punch looks super sharp. Now, use your blue marker for the rest of his suit and a bright yellow for the background of the punch to make the action look exciting. Color the spider on his back black and keep his eyes bright white so he looks like a real hero from a movie screen. Amazing job, everyone! This Spider-Man looks so brave and strong. Which of these 3 hero drawings was your favorite one to color today? Add the web details again on his suit and his wide eyes that show he is very focused on his mission. Who do you think he is punching? You did a super job today, artist. Our Spider-Man and Hulk drawings look absolutely incredible. Thanks for joining the team here at ZOONYToons. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us which hero you want to see next. See you in the next adventure.